Oh, look at this. I'm a professional here. So I guess this is how I will do my daily updates now. So just now I've been playing around with openCV, and I'm trying to teach myself from the ground up without relying on AI to do anything for me. And this basically just means like convincing Grok not to write any code for me and just show me syntax. And essentially what I've done is to create first to display an image from a webcam in real time, which is just important for doing anything with OpenCV. And I will show you that right now. So we will display the camera feed. Set up a make file. This is important. Okay, and so as you can see, we have a live view right there, 30 FPS, and then when you press a key, it escapes, and you get this output.avi, which is very useful. Okay, and then after that, I wanted to learn how to generate an image because essentially what I want to be able to do is manipulate the frames that are coming from the camera in order to make them more useful. And to do like an overlay that can identify where certain things are within the frame. So you're just like editing the video. I don't know if it's the best way to do it, but I want to learn how to do it. And so what this function does, generate image, is, I mean, with OpenCV, you have to, set up your mat, which stands for matrix. So it's like a matrix of pixels, and that just is a container for your image. And then what this does, it essentially loops through the rows and then says, or it loops through the columns. So an image is just a two-dimensional array, and it has columns and rows. And so it's going to loop through all of the columns and then ask, is this column even? And if it is even, it will turn it from black to white. And then down here you have a loop that is essentially displaying this static frame, kind of like a video, but it's just the same frame over and over again because you're not updating it. And then if you press a key, it will exit. And so let's run this, see how it does. So it looks gray here. But then as you can see, that worked really well. Oh, I pressed the key. But I think that is pretty awesome. You can see all the lines. And so it just shows that it works really well. C++ is really fast. And so that's why I want to learn OpenCV in C++ first instead of Python. And I'm doing C++ in college, so this makes more sense. But yeah, that's the progress update so far. And the style seems to make sense, so good.